All right, guys, let me show you what we're doing some HVAC cleaning for a repeat client. You guys remember we did their hardwood floors about 3 weeks ago, and these turned out great. But now we're coming back to clean their HVAC system and sanitize it because of all the construction debris and sanding and things they had done. It's always a good idea to get the HVAC system cleaned and sanitized. So that's what we're doing. Bridget's off today. We do got another helper named Steve to help us out. So again, guys, we're doing the HVAC cleaning, which is this right here. A lot of benefits and features that we're doing that we're getting it back to the original state. And of course, we also do dryer vent cleaning as well. So that's what we're doing. Right now, we're just vacuuming the vents, the supplies, and then we're going to do the returns. And then once we get up here done, we're going to go downstairs to do the main trunk lines, get those all cleaned out and sanitary. This is Steve.
Hi.
And then once we get it all sanitized and cleaned, it's going to be sufficient and, again, better indoor air quality. So that's the premise, guys, is we want to create a better indoor environment. And we do that by, first and foremost, the air you breathe. Second, the floors you walk on. And third, things you touch. So we also do countertop clean and polishing. We do hardwood floor cleaning, restoring and maintaining, whether it be just a clean and buff or a screen and recoat, or of course in this situation, a full sand, stain and recoat, which looks phenomenal. And then of course we do all other flooring, carpet, tile, laminate, engineered, things of that nature. And of course, as a one-off, we also do area rugs and upholstery. So if you walk on it, guys, we work on it. If you sit on it, we work on it. And again, we care about you and your indoor environment. So protect your investment. Call us today if you need our service. Get on our schedule. And at best, keep things up to par by letting us maintain it for you every year. So, all right, guys, it's going to do it. Stay tuned for some results. And as always, thanks for watching. Hey, let's go. Hey, let's go. What about 35 feet? Here it comes. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Yeah, let's go. All right, guys, it's going good. We got about 40 feet going in this duct. A little rainy today, as you guys can see, but we're doing it. To it. Better air quality is important. You should get this done at least at a minimum every 5 to 7 years. Let's go. Here, guys, we're getting the duct, the main trunk line, real good. All right, guys, this is the main trunk line. We're getting ready to clean this out. Stay tuned. All right, guys, breathe better. Hey, let's go. All right, guys, this is the supply. This is actually insulated main trunk line. We're gonna get us all cleaned up. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we're doing some HVAC cleaning. We got Steve on the main trunk line. We're cleaning it out. This is the supplying all the air. At least making sure that we got it. We've already done the return. Now we're doing the supply. That'll be a wrap, guys. Peace. Hey, yo, let's go. All right, guys, breathe better. Call AO, 𝐸-𝐸-clean.com. All right, guys, nice and clean. Breathe better. AO, let's go. Come on, somebody. All right, guys, you can see these are the before and after, and our team hard at work. If you need the service, reach out. 𝐸-𝐸-clean.com.